In a world where uncertainty looms, having the right survival gear can make all the difference. Whether you're preparing for natural disasters, power outages, or full-scale doomsday scenarios, these 25 coolest survival gadgets on Amazon in 2025 are must-haves. From high-tech multi-tools to cutting-edge water purifiers and solar-powered essentials, this list covers innovative gear designed to keep you safe and prepared. Stay ahead of the unexpected with these life-saving tools. Without further ado, let's get started. Exploring rugged landscapes requires footwear that is both durable and sustainable. Introducing the Gila Sandal, an adventure sandal designed to outperform all others while setting a new standard in sustainability. Its dual-density recycled cork midsole and contoured footbed provide unmatched comfort and promote long-term foot health. The extra grippy bio-rubber outsole ensures traction on aggressive terrain and in water, while the X-shaped tensile strapping system with custom zinc hardware offers secure lateral support. Made from 100% bio-circular materials, the Gila safely returns to nature after its long lifespan. Designed for adventurers, it proves that performance and sustainability can go hand in hand. Keeping essentials secure and accessible is crucial for any outdoor or travel adventure. Meet the JDC Outdoor Beltbag, a durable, belt-attached leather bag designed to keep everything you need within reach. It features a secure fastening system and an easy-access external pocket that ensures your belongings stay safe, no matter the activity. Whether hiking, traveling, or exploring, the bag provides ample space for essentials like a knife, flashlight, multi-tool, phone, or passport. Simply slide your belt through the attached loops for a hassle-free setup. Built for rugged durability, the updated design includes a locking stud for added security, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. Carrying heavy, bulky gear can limit a climber's potential and slow down movement on big walls. Introducing the G7 POD, a game-changing inflatable climbing ledge that redefines lightweight durability, comfort, and convenience. Weighing only 3 pounds, it provides a stable insulated platform for resting, bivvying, or sleeping in extreme environments. Designed with proprietary materials, it inflates into a rigid structure while remaining tough enough to withstand rugged conditions. Featuring an adjustable 6-point suspension system, gear loops for accessibility, and zippered storage pockets, it offers unmatched usability. The compact, quick inflate, and easy pack design allows climbers to move freely and efficiently, pushing their limits without being weighed down. Carrying gas canisters for outdoor cooking is expensive, wasteful, and harmful to the environment. Introducing the LOFI Stove, an ultralight titanium backpacking stove that burns solid biofuels efficiently, providing a clean, powerful, and windproof flame without scorching the ground. Weighing less than 100% grams, it offers temperature control via a USB-powered fan, ensuring a steady airflow for a smokeless burn. The LOFI stove can boil a liter of water in just over 4 minutes and burn for up to 15 minutes per fill, perfect for cooking full meals. Compatible with twigs, wood pellets, pine cones, and even alternative fuels, it is a lightweight, sustainable, and durable solution for adventurers everywhere. Packing light for travel and outdoor adventures often means sacrificing comfort, warmth, or versatility. The Voited Pillow Blanket is the ultimate multi-use travel essential, transforming from a cozy pillow into a warm blanket, a sleep sack, and even a waterproof poncho. Designed for campers, van lifers, and outdoor explorers, it's made from durable, water-resistant ripstop nylon, crafted from recycled plastic bottles, ensuring sustainability and long-lasting performance. With eco-friendly waterproof coating, it keeps you dry and warm in all conditions. Available in multiple fabric options, it offers softness, warmth, and versatility. Whether you're at the beach, in the mountains, or relaxing at home, the Voited Pillow Blanket adapts to every adventure effortlessly. Navigating remote trails and backcountry terrain can be challenging, especially without reliable cell service. Meet the BackCountry Navigator XE Outdoor GPS is the ultimate smartphone-based navigation tool, providing detailed offline maps, route planning, and real-time tracking for hikers, backpackers, and outdoor explorers. Now available on Android, iOS, and the web, it allows users to plan adventures online using a cloud editor, sync maps, and access a wide selection of overlays for better terrain analysis. Whether trekking through deserts, mountains, or lakes, it ensures you never lose your way. With an improved interface and expanded features, BackCountry Navigator XE makes outdoor navigation seamless, accessible, and more powerful than ever before. Swimming in open water presents unique challenges, from unpredictable currents to limited visibility. Introducing the Tekrapod Open Water Safety Device, a revolutionary patent-pending solution designed specifically for open water swimmers. This streamlined backpack-style safety device stays completely out of the way until needed. With a hidden internal bladder, it inflates instantly when the red toggle is pulled, providing buoyancy and rest without interfering with swimming. A high-powered strobe light ensures visibility in low-light conditions, while an attached whistle helps signal for assistance. Neutrally buoyant, race-compliant, and drag-free, the Tetrapod is the most advanced, seamless safety innovation for swimmers, offering peace of mind and confidence in every open water adventure. Outdoor adventures demand reliable, space-saving tools that can handle multiple tasks in unpredictable environments. Introducing the Adventure Mate, the ultimate 5-in-1 heavy-duty multi-tool, combining an axe, saw, hammer, hook, and shovel into one rugged, compact design. Built with a patented 2-stage locking mechanism, it ensures maximum stability and security. The carbon fiber reinforced nylon handle is both lightweight and ultra-durable, while the black Cerakote coating prevents rust and enhances longevity. Designed for campers, hikers, and survivalists, it comes with an easy-carry holster and weighs just 3.5 pounds. Made in the USA and carbon negative, this modular, adventure-ready tool is built to tackle any outdoor challenge with ease. Everyday carry tools should be compact, versatile, and durable enough to handle daily tasks effortlessly. The Tekrapod Multifunction Titanium Knife is a 4-in-1 EDC essential, combining a VG10 blade, wire cutter, flat screwdriver, and survival whistle into one sleek design. Its titanium handle ensures strength, wear resistance, and long-lasting service life, while precision machining provides a smooth and reliable user experience. The 2-level locking system ensures safety, making it ideal for sharpening pencils, opening boxes, or cutting safety belts. Small yet powerful, it also serves as a mini ruler, keychain pendant, or necklace accessory, making it the perfect pocket-friendly companion for both daily use and survival situations. When on the go, having a towel that is quick-drying and compact is essential for a variety of activities. Meet the Eunzel Quick Dry Camping Towel, a microfiber travel towel set that comes in 3 sizes in one pack. Perfect for camping, the beach, the gym, sports, yoga, and swimming pools. Its absorbent and fast-drying properties make it ideal for all types of activities, while the ultra-soft feel provides comfort and smoothness on the skin. The towels are sand-free, lightweight, and easy to pack, with a convenient carry bag and a quick snap loop for easy hanging. They are also odor-resistant and easy to care for, machine washable, and tumble dry on low. When you need an all-in-one functional hoodie for outdoor adventures, practicality is key. The Project Shadow hoodie is crafted with shield-coated French terry for water-repellent protection, ensuring comfort and dryness while remaining breathable. This ultimate hoodie offers ample storage for your everyday essentials, including a tablet, smartphone, water bottle, and more. It features invisible pockets to keep valuables safe and reflective strips for visibility at night. The high-quality whistle in the hood adds an emergency tool, while mesh-lined vents provide extra breathability. With double-layered elbows for durability, this hoodie is designed to last, making it the perfect companion for any active lifestyle. For outdoor enthusiasts seeking simplicity and protection in unpredictable weather, a lightweight bivy tent is essential. Introducing the GEERTOP Ultralight Bivy Tent, the perfect solution for solo campers, providing a 3-season waterproof design that ensures you stay dry and comfortable. This single-person backpacking tent is compact and easy to set up, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and travel. Despite its small size, it offers enough space to rest comfortably, while its durable materials ensure long-lasting use. The tent is designed to withstand various weather conditions, offering reliable shelter while being easy to carry and store. It's the ultimate gear for outdoor survival adventures. In emergencies or extreme weather, staying warm and safe is crucial. Meet the EVERLIT Mylar thermal blanket, designed to retain up to 90% of body heat, preventing hypothermia and ensuring warmth in harsh conditions. Made from durable, advanced aluminized Mylar, this lightweight, portable blanket is field-tested by Army veterans for reliability. It's waterproof and weatherproof, making it ideal for camping, hiking, travel, and survival kits. This versatile space blanket can also be used as a rain poncho, emergency shelter, or signal mirror. Easy to store and carry, it's a must-have for your first aid kit or bug-out bag. Staying hydrated while engaging in outdoor activities like surfing is essential for performance and endurance. The SurfStraw water bottle is the world's first water bottle designed specifically for wetsuits. It fits seamlessly into any chest zip wetsuit, allowing surfers to hydrate conveniently without needing to return to shore. This innovative bottle eliminates the challenge of staying hydrated while surfing, preventing fatigue and improving performance. Comfortable and practical, it features an interchangeable sports cap, making it versatile for other activities. Whether it's water or your favorite beverage, the SurfStraw is perfect for those who want to stay refreshed while enjoying the waves. Staying comfortable and stylish while ensuring environmental sustainability is a must in today's footwear choices. Meet the XpreSole Footwear, a groundbreaking brand that combines sustainable innovation with superior performance. Crafted from upcycled coffee grounds, these shoes are lightweight, breathable, and odor-free, making them perfect for everyday wear. Designed with water-repellent and anti-slip features, they provide solid footing and comfort during various activities, from workouts to weekends. The elastic cushioning offers temperature moderation and UV protection, while the nanoprotection film ensures durability. With a 100% vegan design and a plus 30% slip resistance increase, XpreSole is built to last and keep you comfortable in all conditions. In emergencies, stabilizing fractures quickly and effectively is crucial. Introducing the Adventure Medical Kit's C-Splint, a versatile, reusable emergency splint designed for fractures of limbs. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry, while the waterproof material ensures durability in any environment without absorbing water or degrading. The splint can be molded or cut to fit any extremity, providing a customized solution for fractures. Radiolucent is compatible with X-rays, allowing for proper assessment during medical treatment. The foam padding offers comfort, while its flexible design turns rigid once shaped into a C to support the fractured limb, offering reliable care until professional help arrives. Staying connected and safe while skiing or snowboarding is essential for both performance and fun. Introducing the Sena Latitude Snow Helmet, a Bluetooth integrated snow helmet designed for convenience and communication on the slopes. With built-in speakers and a microphone, it allows you to listen to music and take calls hands-free while riding. The 4-way Bluetooth intercom supports communication with up to 4 people over a range of 1 kilometer, ensuring you stay in touch with friends. Featuring active ventilation, you can adjust the helmet's airflow, and it provides a secure, comfortable fit with size rotation. The Sena Latitude ensures you stay connected and safe all day long. Handling sharp tools and fish can be dangerous without proper protection. Meet the KastKing Cut Safe Fillet gloves, designed to provide ultimate cut resistance for fishing and outdoor tasks. Offering ANSE Level 6 cut protection, these gloves are crafted from high-performance HPPE and metal wire knit for top-tier safety. The rubber non-slip palm and fingers provide an enhanced grip, improving knife control and making fish handling effortless. With a snug, comfortable fit and an extended seamless cuff, these gloves ensure durability and comfort. Easy to clean and quick drying, the KastKing Cut Safe gloves are a fisherman's essential, combining cutting-edge protection and performance for every adventure. In emergencies, the right tool can make all the difference in saving lives. Meet the BADAXX Multi-Utility Axe, designed to significantly enhance the efficiency of first responders. This versatile tool provides emergency anchor points for rappelling from elevated structures, allowing responders to safely attach a safety rope and exit quickly if trapped above the first floor. The axe head can latch onto or be driven into various building materials. Additionally, the handle is machined with 2 hydrant wrenches for quickly opening or closing fire hydrants, and a pocket for operating shutoff valves for water and gas meters, making it an essential tool for emergencies. When you're on the go, space and convenience are key, especially when it comes to drying off. Introducing the Rainleaf Microfiber Towel, the perfect solution for travel, gym, and camping needs. This ultra-compact, lightweight towel is designed for quick drying and is super absorbent, capable of holding up to 5 times its weight in water. It dries quickly by simply hanging it with the snap loop, making it ready to use again in no time. Its soft, suede-like texture is skin-friendly and can even double as a blanket for warmth. The towel comes with a convenient zippered pocket and is machine washable, sand-resistant, and durable. Available in 6 sizes and colors, it's a must-have for any outdoor activity. Staying connected in challenging environments or during outdoor activities requires reliable communication tools. Meet the Retevis walkie-talkies, designed for long-range communication, ensuring clear, uninterrupted conversations even in rugged conditions. With an IP67 waterproof rating, these devices are dustproof and can withstand rain and submersion. Powered by a 2,800 mAh battery and supported by Type-C charging, they offer extended use with quick charging capabilities. The two-way AI noise reduction technology ensures clarity, while the one-key group call function simplifies communication. Featuring a large LCD for easy operation, emergency alarm, and volume control, these walkie-talkies are perfect for business, job sites, and outdoor adventures, offering both durability and functionality. When you're in the wilderness, starting a fire quickly and safely is crucial for survival. The Choctaw Survival Fire Starters offer a reliable and easy-to-use solution for igniting a fire in any weather conditions. These fire starters come in a reusable tin and feature wax-impregnated fire tabs, each containing 4 individual strands. To ignite, simply expose the inner fibers by hand or rub them against a coarse surface. With one strike from a survivor steel, these fire starters quickly catch fire. Each tab has ample burn time, making them perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. Natural, waterproof, and long-lasting, they are an essential piece of survival gear. In any outdoor adventure, having a reliable multi-tool can make all the difference when emergencies arise. Introducing the Stansport Para Multi-Tool, a must-have for anyone into bushcraft, camping, fishing, or hunting. It combines essential survival tools into one compact device with a paracord-wrapped handle that serves as both a grip and an emergency rope. The tool includes a built-in rope cutter and a flint spark igniter for fire starting. Additionally, it features multiple wrenches, 10mm, 14mm, 17mm, and a sharp hacking blade, making it versatile for various backcountry tasks. This multi-tool is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts looking for reliability and preparedness in any situation. When you're outdoors or in unexpected situations, having the right tools can make all the difference. The Forkanife Credit Card Pocket Knife offers a compact, practical solution for eating on the go. This ultra-thin utensil set is made from stainless steel with an aluminum clip to securely hold the fork and knife in place. It features a sharper knife for cutting tough meals and a well-designed locking mechanism that makes it easy to unfold and use. Perfect for camping, hiking, or everyday carry, it fits seamlessly into your pocket or bag. Plus, each purchase supports a charity dedicated to reducing plastic waste in our oceans. The Forkanife ensures you're always prepared when a meal calls for more than just your hands. In outdoor adventures like camping or canoe trips, having a reliable saw is essential for gathering firewood and preparing for the wild. Meet the Agawa Boreal 21 Folding Bow Saw, a versatile tool designed for medium-duty tasks, ideal for off-road adventures and backcountry trips. It features a robust tensioning system that ensures quick deployment and secure, easy operation. The saw's pivot lock keeps it under tension, providing a stable frame for efficient cutting. Its high-clearance design and ergonomic frame make it suitable for larger logs, and at only 18 ounces, it's lightweight enough to fit easily into your backpack or canoe. Built with durable anodized aluminum, stainless steel, and coated blades, this saw is engineered to withstand the toughest conditions and provide reliable performance when you need it most.